All right, welcome fellow Shopify entrepreneur. This is how you can change your storefront currency on Shopify. So we're on our test store here. Let me show you exactly how you do this. It's very simple, but it's not. So if you go to your settings right down here in your Shopify admin, we scroll down store details into store currency. This is just a trial test store, so don't worry about the information here. But if we scroll down to here, this is where we can change the store currency with this drop down. The store currency is the currency your products are sold in. This is the currency that is displayed on your storefront. For your payout currency, that is the currency that you are paid to your own bank account that you receive from Shopify. That cannot really be changed as easily. You can go to your payment settings for that, depending on your payment provider. If you're using Shopify payments, if you're using a third-party payment provider, you can do that in payment settings. But to change your store currency, the currency that everyone sees on your website, you can go here. Now, this is why I said it's simple, but it's not simple. This is just a trial store, and I just set up. There's no information on it, and most importantly, I have never made an order. I've never accepted an order. I've never made a sale on this. So if I click this drop down, I can see all the different currencies that I can show my store's products in. We can see at the very top some of the most popular: USD, the Euro, the British Pound, the Canadian Dollar, and then it goes in from alphabetical order from there. Now, the key here is if you have made a sale already on your Shopify store, you cannot click this box. You have to go to Shopify support and then they can change it for you. If you haven't made a sale, you'll be able to click this. But if you have made a sale, you will notice that if you go to this box, this is not clickable. And it says you need to contact Shopify support for this. So why would you want to do this? Well, for a lot of reasons. One of those popular, and one of the reasons I do this quite a bit in some of the Shopify stores I own. I change this around a little bit. And one of the main reasons I do this is to target my target audience, my most popular audience. So if I open a store and I think that in Canada, this product will do amazing, but most of my audience is coming from the US, I may want to consider changing my store currency to the USD. If I'm looking on my analytics page and I'm seeing traffic from Canada maybe be about this, C for Canada, and I see the traffic from America and the sales from America, from the United States, maybe like this, clearly my business is doing a lot better, getting a lot more traffic, a lot more sales from the United States. And it would be easier to nurture that customer relationship if the store's currency was straight up in USD instead of showing it in Canada. Now, of course, you can use apps that change the currency of your store, like the Shopify's geolocation app. If you've been running a Shopify store or multiple Shopify stores like I have for a while, you'll know about the geolocation app. And this changes the storefront language, the shipping options, and the currency right on the storefront. It also gives you a selector switch either in your header or your footer. You can put it wherever you want so that customers can select the language and the currency that they want to shop in. This doesn't do it for every single country in the world. This is based on your market's preferences. So if you navigate back to our admin and we go to our market settings, this is the active markets that you sell in and the inactive markets that you sell in. This is where you can view the language, the currency, and other market specific information. There are a few apps that do this, but geolocation app is a Shopify made and developed app. I made a whole video on this, so check out my channel for that. But if you were looking for a way because you're running a new campaign or you're targeting a new target audience, a new country, and or a variety of reasons, and you want to change your entire storefront, the currency that your products are sold in, not the payout currency that you receive your funds in, you can change it by going to your settings, your store details, and then selecting this box. Again, if you've made a sale, you can't click and you have to contact support and they can change it for you. And the reason for that is, I guess they just want to make you aware of the changes, because this is something that you have to consider. It can affect a lot of things like taxes and analytics and all your reports. They can get all changed if you change this midway through something important. I've had no problem in the past for the multiple stores that I've been running for a number of years now, just going to support after I've made a sale and saying I want to change my CAD store currency to USD. They usually just want me to confirm a few things and they can do it for me. But if you're ever wondering, how do I change my store currency permanently? You can do that by going to the settings and clicking on this box. I hope this helps. I know how frustrating running a Shopify store or online business can be, and there's a million and one things that you need to take care of. And if this was one of them, I hope this helps. If it was, and if it does help, leave a like so I know. If you want to join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs so that we can all grow and learn from our experiences, consider subscribing. If you do, I'll see you in the next video.